guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing switches with a stability ball. All right, so when we do these, we are going to begin on our back. Stability ball can start between our hands or between our legs. Everything is going to start completely straight. We want to aim to keep the lower back flat on the floor. If it comes up and that does not bother your back, you're okay. But if that does, then we're going to decrease the range of motion, and I'll talk about that in a moment. So, like I said, we're going to begin with everything straight. If this posture bothers you, you need to keep your lower back flat on the floor the entire time. Then maybe you start with your legs slightly elevated. We're going to bring the stability ball up, grab it between the feet, arms go down and legs go down at the same time. If your lower back starts to creep up, then that's your final range of motion. Otherwise, you're going to try and bring it down just slightly to a hover. Hands come back up, meet that stability ball. Notice that my chin or my head is never coming up off the ground. I'm keeping my head back the entire time. So for more core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.